Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, base enclosure, wireless module, USB board, primary storage drive, subwoofer, front speakers, fan, system board, display panel assembly, display bezel, and display panel. Removal. Remove the 4.5 mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the right display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Lift the right display panel hinge off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. The left display panel hinge is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Place the right display panel hinge onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the 4.5 mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the right display panel hinge to the display enclosure. The left display panel hinge is replaced in the same manner.